this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, coming back at you. Okay, we're over here at the farmers market. Orlando, Florida has a lot of farmers markets, and we go there to support the locals. So any fruits or vegetables that I don't currently have in my backyard, I'll go over here and buy them. There's hubby right there, picking some corn out, some fruits and vegetables. He loves his corn. There's some other fruits and vegetables. They give you a pretty good deal. Actually, the more you buy, the more they'll cut off the price, and they'll even throw extras into your basket. There's nothing better than supporting the local farmers and growers. Okay. So here we are getting ready to walk into the Winter Garden. This is Old Winter Garden Farmers Market. Open every Saturday from approximately 8 to 2. This is like a family gathering place here. It's beautiful. People are selling all kind of arts and crafts, all type of foods. There's a lot of entrepreneurs out here. We have people playing guitars, people dancing, just out enjoying a good old time on a Saturday. So I like to frequent this market a lot because every time I come back, they have different arts and crafts, people selling different things all the time. It's usually never the same. It's always something new here. Sometimes I buy some of my fruit trees and plants from here. They sell all type of breads and bakeries, empanadas, people, any type of canned food that people are canning, they go ahead and sell that also. It's a good place to be if you're an entrepreneur and want to do your own thing. Or even if you just want to just walk around and just enjoy the beautiful flowers and the trees and just a nice day. It's actually a dog park also, so you'll see a lot of dogs at this farmers market. Got the little water park for the kids to play in. A very beautiful and peaceful and calming atmosphere. Beautiful trees and flowers. Everybody just out having a good time. This is an eatery where a lot of people hang out to eat. Or you could just bring your family to sit on the grass and have a picnic. Or people are putting on shows with their showbirds like the parrot. They sell all kind of fruits, vegetables, anything you want, they're selling out here. As you can see, there's a lot of people inside supporting this market, this local market that's been going on for over decades, every Saturday. Like I said, this is just a happy place, beautiful time, beautiful people, and people just trying to get out here and show what they do best, their passions. So if you ever come to Orlando, go ahead to Winter Garden and you can go ahead and show these people some love. It's Old Winter Garden. And thank you for coming with us to the farmers market. And hope you enjoyed this short tour. We'll be back at you with some more videos. Thank you. Subscribe. Like. Have a nice day.